If your Nissan Pathfinder is ignoring your iPhone when you plug it in, let's get your CarPlay connection back up and running. Statistics show that 80% of connectivity failures are caused by minor cable issues or temporary software glitches. Before you visit the dealership, run through these 5 quick diagnostic steps. Start by force restarting your iPhone, inspecting your cable for damage, and cleaning out any pocket lint from your phone's charging port. Next, check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay isn't restricted, and try removing the Pathfinder from your saved wireless connections. If that doesn't work, manually reboot the infotainment system by holding the power button until the logo reappears. Most fixes are simple, but if the USB port itself is damaged or the wiring is shorted, you will need a professional. As you can see, the vast majority of connection issues stem from a bad cable rather than a failure of the Pathfinder's internal hardware. If you're still stuck, try connecting a different iPhone to rule out your specific device before considering a full factory reset. Keep an MFI-certified cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember, never attempt these diagnostic steps while the vehicle is in motion. If this guide helped you reconnect, hit that subscribe button for more Pathfinder troubleshooting tips.